In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show Gmail password in Google Chrome. If you've saved your Gmail password in Chrome but can't remember it, this guide will walk you through the safest way to view it using Chrome's built-in tools. We'll stay inside Chrome's official password manager, and you'll be asked to verify your identity on your computer before anything is revealed, which helps keep your information secure. Start by opening Google Chrome. In the top right corner of the browser window, click the three dots to open the menu, then choose Settings. On the left side of the Settings page, click Autofill and Passwords, and then select Google Password Manager. This is where Chrome stores and protects the login details you've chosen to save. At the top of Google Password Manager, use the search bar and type the word Google. That narrows the list to entries related to Google services, making it quicker to find your Gmail credentials if you have a lot of saved logins. Look for the entry that corresponds to your Google account and click it to open the details. For your security, Chrome will now ask you to confirm it's really you. Depending on your device, this may be your computer password, PIN, or a biometric such as a fingerprint or face scan. This extra step is important. It ensures only someone who can unlock your computer can view your saved passwords. After you've verified, you'll see the account details. Next to the masked password, the row of dots, click the eye icon to reveal it. Your Gmail password will appear instantly. If you need to use it somewhere else, you can click the copy icon to place it on your clipboard, then paste it where you need it. A few quick tips to keep things safe and tidy. Only do this on a device you trust, and be mindful of who can see your screen while the password is visible. If you copy the password, remember that it stays on your clipboard until you copy something else or restart, so avoid pasting it into notes or chats that others might access. When you're finished, you can click away from the page or close the tab to hide the password again. That's all there is to it. Quick, secure, and easy to find. You now know how to view a saved Gmail password directly in Google Chrome using the Password Manager and device verification. If this helped, keep it handy for the next time you need to retrieve a saved login.